The proud red rose. One beautiful spring day, a red rose blossomed in the forest. As the rose looked around, a palm tree nearby said, "What a beautiful flower! I wish I was that lovely," palm tree said. "Dear palm, do not be sad. We cannot have everything," the other tree said. The rose turned and remarked, "It seems that I am the most beautiful flower in this forest." The sunflower raised its yellow head and asked, "Why do you say that? In this forest, there are many beautiful flowers. You are just one of them." The red rose replied, "I see everyone is looking at me and admiring me." Then the rose looked at the cactus and said, "Look at that ugly plant full of thorns." The palm tree said, "Red rose, what kind of talk is this? Who can say what beauty is? You have thorns too." The proud red rose looked angrily at the palm and said, "I thought you had good taste. You do not know what beauty is at all. You cannot compare my thorns to that of the cactus." What a proud flower, thought all the plants. Every day the red rose would insult the cactus on his looks, while the cactus stayed quiet. Spring passed, and the weather became very warm. Life became difficult in the forest as there was no rain. The red rose began to wilt. One day, the rose saw sparrows stick their beaks into the cactus and fly away, refreshed. The red rose asked the palm tree what the birds were doing. The palm tree explained that the birds were getting water from the cactus. The rose opened its eyes in wonder and exclaimed, "The cactus has water?" "Yes, you can also drink from it. The sparrow can bring water to you if you ask the cactus for help." The red rose felt too ashamed to ask for water from the cactus. But finally, she did ask for help. The cactus kindly agreed. The birds filled their beaks with water and watered the rose's roots. Moral of the story is, never judge a book by its cover.